In previous module, we learn how agents talk to each other, like assistant agent, user proxy agent, having conversation. Okay, but there were big limitations. Agent could only talk; they couldn't actually do anything. So in this module, we solve this problem. We introduce tool. Now agent can do calculation, search the web, read the files, call the API. So basically, we move from talking agent to working agent. And in this video, we will build our first tool, simple web search tool using AutoGen. So you can see here in the screen, user ask the question to the assistant. Assistant is the brain, okay, brain of AI, or we can say brain. It is because it is using LLM here. This assistant, okay. So user ask the question. Assistant is the brain. Decide what to do next. Okay, so I call the tool, then it will call the tool. Like if you are going to search from web, then it will call the web tool. Okay, and executor. We have next executor. So executor means hands it run the tool. Okay, executor are used to run this tool and it will give the result here. Okay, here here we I mean here I got my result. Okay, then assistant give the answer to you. So this is some simple method. Okay, assistant is the brand decide what to do next, or tool means skills means does the actual work. Okay, executor hands run the tool, and result, this is result. So the assistant never directly execute the code here. Okay, it just decide what to do, what to use, which tool to use. Okay, so now I'm going to writing code here in this file 02 underscore web search underscore tool dot py and module number underscore 04 underscore tool underscore use. Okay, so I'm going to write code for web search tool. Okay, so first I need to import. Actually, I already import here in register file. Okay, so I'm going to copy from here. I'm going to copy these thing. Okay, import here. I'm going to import OS. Okay, I'm going to import OS. I don't need this one. I'm import assistant agent, user proxy agent, and register function because we need to register here our tool. Okay, I'm going to import .env, load.env. That way, with the help of this, we can access our API key from .env file. Okay, and I'm going to close this one, and after this I'm going to copy this is a LLM config file setting. Okay, so we can use API key, Groq API key from our this file. Okay, so this is the function get config. Okay, and it will return the config list. Inside this list it will use this model and this API key, and API key type is Groq. Okay, and temperature equals to 0.5. It's means it will give you the randomness in output. Okay, so here this code is for load the API keys. Okay, from the .env files. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create one function. Okay, so here I need to write code for tool. Okay, so maybe I have inside this. Mm. So guys, this is our first tool. Okay, that is called the web tool. So I want to write here. Okay, so this is our tool, web search tool. Okay, so this its function name is web underscore search. Here I'm going to pass the query. Okay, query means question. It should be in string and output should be in string. So this is about the tool's description. This is our tool in real world. This would call the Google API. Okay, this would call the Google API, whatever you have, Groq API, Open Router API. Okay, so we are going for Google search, so that's why I use Google. Okay, so here we simulate the search result. Okay, and here in return you can see here search result for query. Okay, whatever you have query, if you are going to search, then it will give you the result based on the query. Okay, so this is as an input. AutoGen is a multi agent framework by Microsoft. It allows tool usage and automations. Okay, so now this is the description, guys. Okay, description of this function. Okay, don't worry about it. If you don't need to write this, If you don't want to write this here, so don't worry, it's up to you. You should write, or you don't need to write it here. Okay, so after this I have this tools. Now I'm going to create main function. Okay, maybe I have code there. No, here main function. Okay guys, so previously I use these tools, so I'm going to use this code for creating the main function. Okay, so here in the below the tool I have this main function. This is the main function. Okay, this is our main function. This is the function name. Okay, so here we are going to create two agents. Assistant agent is the brand and decide when to use tool and what to ask. Okay, so assistant equals to assistant agent, its name is researcher. Okay, so researcher. Okay, its name is researcher. And here message you can see, you are a helpful assistant tool. You are a helpful assistant. Okay, and you are a helpful researcher. So here I'm going to change this message. Okay, I'm going to copy this. Oh, 1 minute. I'm going to copy this one and paste it here. So here you can see I have one message. This is our message. Its name is researcher, and system message, this one, you are a research assistant always. So I forget to put the comma here. Okay, now everything is fine. So you can see here I'm giving the instruction to the assistant agent. Okay, you are a research assistant and important, always use web search tool before answering. Do not answer from the memory and your answer with done. Okay, so this is the web search tool. Our this is our web search tool. Okay, if you are going to ask some question, okay, so it is going to search this one before asking the question to the AI. Okay, so always use web tool before answering. Do not answer from the memory. Okay, and if the answer is finished, then you need to write done in the answer, end of the answer. Okay, here I'm going to use LLM underscore config equals to get config. Okay, so we will access our config details. Okay, LLM setting here. Okay, and this is our user proxy agent. Okay, so proxy equals to executor. Actually it run when the tool function, when it actually run the tool function. Okay, so proxy equals to proxy agent. This is like user. Okay guys, so its name is executor. Yeah, human input mode is no manual input needed. That's why it is never. Code execution config false. No Python code execution, only tool. Okay, and termination message done. Okay, so now everything is fine. Now I'm going to register the tool. Okay guys, so this is our main tool, that is assistant agent. It is use LLM file. Okay, LLM setting here, and this is like user executor. Okay, now we are going to register. Okay, so I'm going to use this one, register function, this one. So here register function. So here I need to call this function. I need to copy this function and create here, not call guys. Okay, so you can see here register to connect the Python function to the AI. So register underscore function equals to, here I need to write web search in place of this get Python tips. Here I need to write web search, web underscore search. Caller equals to assistant. Assistant decide when to use tool. Okay, and executor equals to proxy. This is our proxy. Okay guys, here we are going to register the function. Okay, and it is going to use web search. Caller means assistant decide when to use it. Okay, and executor equals to proxy, and name of this, its name is what, web search. So here I need to write web underscore search. Okay, and in description, search the web for information. So here you can write in description what, search the web for information. Okay, and now we have one tool, this connect python function to the AI. Okay, and after this we have we need to remove this one, we don't need this. Okay, now we are going to start the conversation. Okay, so I have code for conversation. So this is our code for start the conversation. Okay guys, so here we are going to start the conversation. Okay, so here proxy dot initiate chat. Proxy are going to talk with assistant agent. Okay, and answer the question and ask this question, what kind of question it is going to ask. So here I need to mention what is Microsoft AutoGen. Okay, and this is this is our entry point. Okay, now we can run our code. I hope you got it. We just create this tool. Okay, this one. Now we are going to run this. I'm just going to save this. So I open my terminal, my VS Code terminal. Here I'm going to clear screen, and here what is the file name? File number 2. Okay guys, so first one, this is a folder name, this is the file name. I'm going to hit enter. Okay guys, so you can see here you can see executor is asking the question to the researcher. Okay, so here this is our question. Here, what is a Microsoft AutoGen? What is a Microsoft AutoGen? Okay, executor means user going to ask the researcher. Researcher, where is our researcher? Okay, so this one is our researcher, first agent. This one. Okay, this is our first agent, and this is the researcher. Its name is researcher. You can see here researcher. Okay, and second agent, that is executor. Okay, so executor asks the question to the researcher. Here, this is executor. This is the executor asking the question. Here executor, proxy is executor asking the question to the assistant, what is the Microsoft AutoGen. Okay, so now researcher is giving answer to the executor. Okay, so here you can see it is showing you like tool call number. Okay, suggest tool call. Okay, so it is going to use web search. Okay, and argument equals to query Microsoft AutoGen. Okay, so in query we got this Microsoft AutoGen. Okay, so this is our query. So it is going to call this tool. Okay, this one. So in query what we have, Microsoft AutoGen. So it is going to call this web search tool. Okay, and query is what, Microsoft AutoGen. Okay, now it is going to execute function web search, this function. Okay, and call ID, that is this one, and input we have this query equals to Microsoft AutoGen. Now it is going to execute. Again we have one call ID. Okay, again it is giving the query, this is the input, and again it is giving us output. Okay, AutoGen is a multi-agent framework by Microsoft, allow tool usage and automation. Okay, and executor, now this is answer to the executor to the researcher. Okay, so response from call tool, we got this response. Okay, research result for AutoGen. Okay, so this is our answer guys. Now researcher said that to executor done. Okay, so it is going to done and terminate our code here. Okay, I hope you got it. So this is like a simple basic tool call, guys. Okay, so if you have any tool or if you want to create, you can create like this. Okay, we just use this web search. So here here what we did here, first we need to import these libraries and then import config setting and create one web search function, and we create two main agent here, one assistant agent, okay, that has AI brain or that is researcher, or again we have another agent that is user agent, or we can say user executor, or here user, here we are going to register these things. Okay, okay, and here they are talk to each other. Proxy initiate the chat with assistant and ask the question, what is Microsoft agent? Okay, guys, so this is simple web search.